educated. The members of parliament kindly follow it. We should not be begging you to support education. Not unless if we want to go back to those old days that leave people to be ignorant, leave people not to be educated so that you can be able to do what? To lead them. I think point taken.
When the representative of KNUT who spoke here, I don't know his name, tried to turn this into a political forum, I would like first of all to clear the air that the KNUT you purported to represent here is not the KNUT that I work with.
Now, allow me as a resident of Manga and Nyamira County to thank you. I know it's you facilitated that this road, a tractor came and filled some potholes. Manga since independence has not had a road. Even the one which you came from the highway over the other side up to Enamba here was made from Kitutu Chache. Our member of parliament is here, Dr. Engoko. May you do something. Because we are not sons of a lesser God as Manga residents. Take it up and control the road, because if I remember way back when Uhuru was the president and Ruto was the vice president, we were given the Motemumam Manga Road. Since then, it has not started being constructed. And I'm sure, Your Excellency Governor, you are also a son of Manga. If we were not born here, then you grew up here. So whisper to the MP and another person so that we have what? We have a road.
From 2022, you've had a negative personal opinion on me as a person. You never supported me, and I wish you never to support me. Stick to your mandate. And let's represent the teachers' fraternity, fight for the teachers' welfare, and ensure the teachers get what they deserve. Never use the platform accorded to you by the teachers to present your personal vendetta. If you want that, get a forum out there, call a crowd, address it. I call a competing crowd, we see who has the bid.
Meeting a resident of Manga, Nyamira County. Manga has public land right from Nyeni, right from Wenamba up to the Mumam. Hundreds and thousands of acres of land. But the acres are idle. The acres are a forest. Can you kindly, there is this issue of Nyamira State University. Can you, the member of parliament, Brother Gisairo, I've not heard you speak about Nyamira University. Because I heard Mogaka speak about the same, I heard others speak about the same. I'm challenging you because you are our mouth from Kitutu Masaba. We need that university here, if not today, then yesterday. Kindly do that.
Let us fight on where the classroom will be. That the issue raised by the KNUT official of me never having spoken about university is nothing further from the truth. But as I saw, his intention to talk and talk is a sign of a poor listener who therefore could not have heard me speaking. Let us learn to listen and give each other an opportunity and never use things that we all know to bring political banter. I have been vocal on the issue of university and how best all of us can benefit as Nyamira. We'll continue fighting for our people. I sit in the Education Committee in Parliament. This year, we approved for the confirmation of the intern teachers, the 46,000. We got another 20,000 interns. In the budget for 2025-26, we will confirm all the current 20,000 interns in January, and we'll be recruiting another 20,000 interns for January 2026. This is aimed at bridging the gap in the junior school. We keep fighting for the welfare of teachers. Our responsibility is to represent you. Kazi yetu ni kuwawakilisha. Maoni yenu ndio tunabeba, tunayapeleka pale juu, kuona kwamba
Manga Hospital, and I've always said this, Manga Hospital has never been elevated the rightful status. It's only their building, and for the first time it is this year I saw again. Kindly take it up so that we have an hospital in Manga, because most residents from Manga go to Kisi County, Seja, and Kisi Referral and Nyamira. May you take it up so that we have Manga as an hospital. Through you, I know that it can be done. Otherwise, I want to thank all. Let this day be a day of education. Let us concentrate on education. Then, when we shall need a political day, you will call members here on this ground. They say their words. They say their policies. Thank you all, and may God bless you. I've taken ample time because I was representing the constituency of teachers under KNUT. Thank you for your time.
And let's go to Parliament. So I will try to hold to that memo, act to it, because I was quite a little bit perturbed when the representative of KNUT who spoke here, I don't know his name, tried to turn this into a political forum. I would like first of all to clear the air that the KNUT you purported to represent here is not the KNUT that I work with. I work with a KNUT that has respect, that we've worked together with a lot of respect in a consultative manner, and I wish that to continue. Those were your personal opinion, because from 2022, you've had a negative personal opinion on me as a person. You never supported me, and I will wish you never to support me. Stick to your mandate, and let's represent the teachers' fraternity, fight for the teachers' welfare, and ensure the teachers get what they deserve. Never use the platform accorded to you by the teachers to present your personal vendetta. If you want that, get a forum out there, call a crowd, address it. I call a competing crowd, we see who has the day. Ladies and gentlemen,